Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Classes. Let's start the chapter Principle of Inheritance and Variation. Okay, yes, in this video we are studying introduction part of this chapter. Okay, yes, Principles of Inheritance and Variation. Dear students, I hope you know about the inheritance and variation. Many times you observe that there is a similarities between the parents and their children, maybe in human and also in animals like dogs, cow and pigs. You can observe the similarities between the parental generation and the offsprings, right? What is the reason behind this? You know that the children are not exactly similar to the parents, but they carry the some important characters and some similarities. They share some similarities with the parents, right? They are not exact copies of their parents, so they carry some similarities with their parents, right? What is the reason behind this? Why the children or the offsprings are similar to their parents and they exhibit some difference with their parents, right? What is the reason behind this? So we are going to learn about the reasons to all this question in this chapter. Okay, so you know about the genetics. So genetics, so which deal with the inheritance as well as the variation of the characters from parents to the offsprings. So there is a branch of biology, so that is called as genetics, which deals with the inheritance. You know that the parents and the children, they have some similarities. The children, they carry the some characteristics of their parents, right? For example, eye color or hair color. So that is because of the inheritance. So the branch of biology which deals with the inheritance as well as the variation of the characters from parents to the offspring, that is called as the genetics. Okay, you know that some characters, they transmit from parents to the next generation. For example, hair color or hair texture or eye color, skin color. So some characters, they transfer from parents to the next generation. So that is nothing but the inheritance. Okay, so that is called as inheritance. And the variation, so variation is the degree which progeny differ from their parents. So the progeny or the offspring, so they are not exactly same copies of their parents. So they have some changes. So they have some changes in their character. So when they compare to their parents, so that is nothing but the variation. Okay, so that is the inheritance and the variation. So humans knew from early as 8000 to 1000 BC that one of the causes of the variation was hidden in sexual reproduction. So before the humans know, they knew that the variation that is hidden in the sexual reproduction, and they exploited the variation that were naturally present in the wild population of plants and animals to selectively breed and select for the organism that possess the desirable characters. So they utilized this variation. Okay, exploited means utilized. They utilize this variation to breed the plants and animals. So due to this variation, so they select the desirable characters. They got the desirable character in plants and animals. So that is because of the variation. For example, the artificial selection and the domestication from ancestral wild cows, we have well-known Indian breeds like Sahiwal cow in Punjab. So here, so this cows in Sahiwal cows in Punjab, that is example for the variation. So this cow that is produced by the artificial selection or the domestication. So by the ancestral wild cows. Okay. So this is about the introduction of the principles of inheritance and variation. Thank you.